12 June, and I'm here to help you crack your Hamster Kombat daily cipher Morse code. So the word for today is hamster. The word for today is hamster. So let's dive in and decode the word in Morse code. So the H is 4 dots. 4 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the A is a dot and a dash. So dot, dash. And then the M is 2 dashes. So dash, dash. And then the S is 3 dots. So 1, 2, 3. And then the T is 1 dash. 1 dash. So dash. And then the E is a single dot. Single dot. And then the R is dot dash dot. So dot dash and dot. Hamster.